My name is Raf, and I'm the host of a Filipino food tour here in New York City, where I take a small group of guests to different Filipino restaurants. Along the way, we tell them a little bit about the history, our culture, and traditions. Here at Mama Fina's, we're going to try pork sisig, which, according to Anthony Bourdain, is the gateway dish to Filipino cooking, because after you try it, you become more and more curious about what other dishes Filipino cuisine has. Whenever I go home to the Philippines, this is the first dish that I eat because this really just brings me home. In the 80s, there was a huge nursing shortage. And around this area are 5 different hospitals. So a lot of Filipinos applied, they got in, they settled here. I was born and raised in the Philippines. I moved to New York 5 years ago, and when I first got here, I was so excited to try American food. Over time, this excitement over American food died down, and I found myself craving for home-cooked meals. And this pushed me to go on a search for the best Filipino restaurants I could find in New York City.